realize that the 2022 World Cup in Qatar is no weeks away, and we hardly hear a mention. Well, the Maverick will jump out early to send out my early warning that Brazil will be a hard team to beat. I mean, we say that every World Cup, but this time it's true. But we say that every World Cup too. But seriously though, this Brazil team has offensive players like Dirt, Neymar, Vinicius, Jesus, Martinelli, Rodrigo, Anthony, Paqueta, Richarlison, all in good club form. The competition for places on that Brazil forward line will be fierce, to put it mildly. And with the coach TVJ, known as a pragmatic, conservative coach, combining that defensive pragmatism with all those offensive weapons, I think that is danger for the rest of the world. Of course, the usual suspects will be there. France, Germany, Argentina, Belgium, Spain. But importantly though, this same Brazil team was highly favored to win the World Cup in 2018. And you see what happened? I think they will be on a Brazilian mission of redemption in Qatar. Not just a Brazilian redemption, but a football redemption. Brazil!